Apple has released another set of beta updates, including iOS 18 Developer Beta 8 Software Build 2 to A5350A. The date that Apple will release the stable version of iOS 18 will be announced on September 9th during the Glow Time event that will introduce the iPhone 16 line, the new Apple Watch Series 10, the Apple Watch SE 3, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3. We could also see two versions of the 4th generation AirPods with a premium variant offering active noise cancellation. If you have an iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max and you live in the US, you can now install iOS 18.1 Developer Beta 3, which includes the Apple Intelligence Beta, giving users an advanced preview of Apple's AI initiative. The latest iOS 18.1 Developer Beta includes a feature for the native Photos app called Clean Up, which is similar to the Magic Eraser feature that Google introduced in 2021 with the Pixel 6 line. With Clean Up, the user selects some distraction in a photo and has it removed. AI is used to fill up the now empty pixel space by matching the area around the now removed object. Here's how this feature works. Open the Photos app and tap on a photo. Press the 3-slider edit icon on the bottom in the gray bar. On the bottom is a new tab for Cleanup. Press on it, and the first you use it, you have to wait for the software to load. After that is done, every time you tap on Cleanup, you can immediately use your finger to circle the item you want removed, and a few seconds later the distraction is gone. Right now, if you want to try Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, you'll need to own an iPhone with 8 GB of RAM, which limits you to stateside iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max units.